If you create documents on the Google Workspace, you have to try Dokin. Dokin offers the best way to automate reports, contracts, proposals, certificates, and much more. Dokin is an add-on that acts like a superpower in your Google Workspace, allowing you to connect data across your documents. With Dokin, it is easy to turn any sheet's element into a variable, whether it's a cell, a database, or even a table. With Dokin, you can easily export Google Sheets variables to your docs and slides and add them as content of your documents. You can filter your variables, choose amongst your database entries, and even select the elements of your Google Sheets tables. And the best thing is that your data is always up to date. In just a click, you can automatically update the value of any variable in your document. Dokin allows you to create multiple documents in just a click and adapt each version to a different recipient. With Dokin, you can bid farewell to manual data entry and be sure that your data across sheets, docs, and slides is up to date. So what are you waiting for? Save up to 5 hours a week. Get the Dokin add-on on your Google Workspace Marketplace and get started for free.